Hello friends, welcome to RK tutorial. In this video, before going to start anything, I would like to say after completing those previous 5 videos, you are able to make a registration system. Okay, fine. But I can guess after watching those 5 videos, what error you might get when you are going to register. And when anyone going to register, when someone click without filling the form, anything, when someone click on this register, she might get an error gender, undefined index gender, undefined index lang. And in my case, I am targeting my email address. If I put an email address like test 12345@gmail.com, so this is a valid email address. When someone click on register, so again I can get this error, undefined index gender, undefined index lang. And so how we can fix it? So you can see on my script action.php in this page, and here is our code for the user underscore email. When user email is set, so we will perform following operations. So, and here you can see I have given some input. If input in name, so we will throw error like input fields, and password for password, and for languages, and for country. So we are getting error for gender, okay, and we are getting error for lang. So to fix it, first of you can just do one thing, like, so if and condition like $if empty $_post, and what is this gender, or empty $_post lang. So if one of those fields is empty, we will throw an error, same like echo empty _fields, and exit from the entire script. Then we will not execute rest of the codes. Refresh, now register. So you can see here empty _fields we are getting here, and it looks so weird, empty _fields. So we can do one more thing, like in main.js page, here we are getting different kinds of messages from our PHP page. So if I will write if data equals to empty _fields, data equals to empty _fields, okay, and I hope the spelling is, everything is same. So we will do alert, like please, in a message form, please you fill all fields. Okay, please fill all fields. Okay, I know my English is not very good. Register. So empty fields, okay, this is the first alert. Okay, I'm not getting my second alert, which I have given in action page, sorry, in main.js page here, and I already saved it. Why I'm not getting, I don't know what is the technical issue. Let me check my files. So you can see here, when you inspect your browser, sometimes it happen with my browser, and here you will find sources, so the files, and here is my index page and main.js page. So when you click on index main.js page, so you will have your entire JavaScript or jQuery code, and you can see here I have given if condition, which is not here. Yeah, this condition is not appearing here. I think it is stored in my browser, and sometimes it happened with me, I don't know why. Let me try in different tab, incognito tab, okay, and copy and paste it here. Okay, Keep in mind your internet connection should be on to load the JavaScript code because you are using jQuery library file via internet. So let me click register. Please fill all fields. Okay, it is fine. And I have removed my alert, which I have written like alert data. So I removed that, so you are not getting the first alert. Save this and try once more. Okay, let me first refresh, and you can see it's working very fine. Please fill all fields. Okay, try with some names. So okay, a very viral word. sonam@gmail.com. Sorry, it's female. Country India. Languages English, Hindi. Passwords and the same password. Okay, register. Okay, you are in the verify_email page where I have erased my message. It's working fine. Now our job is to upload these files over the server. Before uploading these files over the server, we need to create our activation script for the user's account activation. So for this purpose, I'm going to create a new page and let me save it as activation underscore code activation code.php. So this is our page, activation code.php. Okay, save this, and in your action page find your function send activation code. This is a function, and in this function here I am passing email, activation code and user ID. And when you see in the message, so here is the message, and this is my website URL wavescript.info, and I will not directly uploading in main folder. I'm going to create a new folder which is register underscore login. So this is our new folder, register underscore login. We will create in our server, and this is the page activation.code.php, and this is the URL variable activation code and user. I'm going to add one more variable, and user email user email equals to $$ email. Okay, fine. Yeah, $email. Save this file, and in your activation page write a PHP code if, and place some condition set $_ request is similar to all other variables, but it will receive all post and get variable request. Okay, name of the first variable activation underscore code, the first variable, and is set $_ request, and the second variable is user ID, and is set $_ request. The third one is user email. If these variables are set, then we will store the value of these variables. Okay, I guess everything is correct. Activation code, UID, and user email. So okay, user ID equals to $_ request user ID, $user email equals to $_ request user email, and $act_code activation code equals to $_ request, and activation code. Fine. Now here we will check if user is already activated. Here we'll check. So for this $SQL, select u_name and activated. So these two are the columns in our database, username and activated from user_info, where where id equals to $UID and email user_email. This is also the column, and $user email and act_code equals to $act code. Okay, these are the conditions. $query equals to MySQLi_query $k. We need to include our DB page here. Include db.php, and let's create the object. Okay, db equals to new database. So this is the object of our database class. So this is the database object. We will add here db arrow connection comma $SQL query. And most of you comment in the comment section like you are getting error from database and you don't know how to solve it. So if most of the time you are getting error like the MySQL_query results expects parameter 1 or 2 like this. So to solve such issues, you have to write here or die and MySQLi_error $db arrow connection. So this die MySQLi_error will help you to find out your database error. If you're getting error like MySQLi_result query expects parameter 1 or 2 like this, so most of the time it is the fault of SQL queries. You have written something wrong in your column, in your username like this. So it will help you to find out your error. That's why I'm written here, because in my I'm going to upload in my server, so I can't take risk. Okay, and $row. Okay, one more thing we need to add here, limit 1, because only one user can be registered once. MySQLi_fetch_array $query. Okay, now $row u_name and $name. Okay, and $status $row activated. Now we will check here. We will check database column activated. If it is 0, means user is not activated. So if condition $status equals to in single quotes 0, it's actually a string value, and so if status equals 0 means that user is not activated. We need to activate it. $SQL equals to update name of the table user_info set activated equals to uh, 1, set activated equals to 1, and you might set like act underscore code equals to blank, and it is not necessary, so I'm going to remove activated equals to 1 set where user underscore email equals to $user email and id equals to $user id. So fine. Now if Mysqli underscore query $db arrow connection comma $SQL, if this query executes successfully, okay, here we'll check. So query equals to Mysqli underscore query $db arrow connection comma $SQL, or if there is any error in our query or in our database column name mistakes, anything like this. So for this, die Mysqli underscore query $db arrow connection. Okay, sorry, it's Mysqli underscore error. Fine. If query returns true value, then we will say echo name of the user $name is your account is activated successfully, else it will not go in else part. But if $status equal to not equal to 0 means if it is 1, if it is equals to 1, so we'll say okay, else if $status equal to 1, we'll say echo $name dot is your account already activated. This part is not needed, and exit from the script. So I hope everything is correct. Okay, save this page, and here is our verifiable page. Let me go once more. Please check your email inbox and verify your account. Okay, this is good. Verify your account. So activation code is ready. Verify my okay, done. Main.js done. Now this time to upload these files over the server. So in I have a hosting account in hostinger.in, and it is a Indian company. You might have HostGator, GoDaddy, BigRock. So let me skip some parts. Active password. Oh, before uploading, I have to say this is the database and this is a file. I'll write don't forget to change before uploading. Don't forget to change your server or host name. In my case it is Mysqli dot hostinger dot in. It might be an IP address of your server, doesn't matter. And don't forget to change your database username, and here don't forget to change your password. Actually put your password here, and your database database name. Okay, in my case it is something like okay, this is enough. I'm going to hide something because this is login details. I'll not show you. Root, and password is my I will change it in server when after uploading. This is the root directory public underscore HTML. Inside this I have all my files related to wavescript.info. Okay, I will create a new directory here, and whose name is exactly same like this, register underscore login. Copy login, done. Okay, my new directory is created successfully. So you can see here I have a directory register underscore login. I'm going to set this. And I will upload files. So choose file, and this is the same directory in my computer, register login script, and I have to upload all these files and create a directory like user action. Second file activation code, third file db, fourth file index, fifth file main, and sixth tables. We need to create tables, and the last one verify underscore email. Upload. Okay, it is uploaded successfully. All files are uploaded successfully. So here you can say my all files is uploaded successfully. I need to create a new directory which is for users. User. And I already changed my db variables. Here you can see, here I have written localhost root my social db, but in this file db I changed my all variables name. Change your db variables, don't forget to change it. But if you will not change, otherwise you will not receive your activation link or you will get lots of error. Okay, I did all my settings. Now I'm going to check. So wavescript.info, and when you will go inside register login, okay, you can see here this is my hosting or database sql9 hostinger.in. This is not localhost. Refresh it first. Okay, it's refresh. Now I need to create I need to execute that page. You remember tables.php, okay, enter. So you can see here connected, so it is connected successfully to our hostinger database. Table created. This is another text from another if block, and alteration successfully. And when you refresh here, you'll see a new table, user underscore info. And in this table we don't have any data. Okay, our table created successfully, our connection is done. Please check your email inbox and verify your account. So here you can see a new email activation link from wavescript.info. okay, hi, this is my email address. Please click on the given link to activate your account. Click here and you will see, okay, here is something wrong I have written in, but your message is correct. Your account is activated successfully. And if you'll click again, click here, your account is activated already, so it should be like Rizwan, your account is activated, is already activated. Okay, so this is for this video enough. And when you'll go in database and browse user information, user ID, username, email, and you'll see activated is 1.